What if I told you that just a few extra hours a week could put an extra $500 or more into your pocket? What would an extra $500 mean to you? Would it be the difference between barely scraping by and finally feeling financially secure? Would it be the ability to finally start investing, go on that dream vacation, or just have some breathing room in your budget? Whatever your reason, I'm sure you'll agree, making more money is almost always a good thing. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, I already have a job. I don't have time for a second one, and I get it. But here's the thing. Most people severely underestimate the power of side hustles. They think of them as these small-time gigs that barely make a dent. But the truth is, a well-chosen side hustle can be incredibly lucrative, especially in today's digital age. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 of the absolute best side hustles that can easily earn you an extra $500 a month, or potentially way more if you put in the work. So if you're ready to take control of your finances and start building a brighter future, let's dive right in. Okay, first up, let's talk about freelance writing. Now, if you're someone who can string a sentence together, pay attention because this could be your golden ticket. Businesses, blogs, websites, everyone and their grandma needs written content these days. Whether it's blog posts, website copy, social media captions, email newsletters, you name it, there's a huge demand for skilled writers. And the best part, you don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to get started. If you can write clearly, concisely, and engage an audience, you've got what it takes. So how do you break into the world of freelance writing? Well, first off, choose a niche. This could be anything from personal finance, my personal favorite of course, to tech, health, travel, you name it. Pick something you're interested in and that you can write about knowledgeably. Next, you'll need some writing samples. Create a few high-quality pieces showcasing your skills and publish them on a platform like Medium or even your own personal blog. Now comes the fun part, finding clients. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger are fantastic places to connect with potential clients. When you're just starting out, don't be afraid to set competitive rates. You're building a portfolio and reputation. Aim for around 5 cents to 10 cents per word, and gradually increase your rates as you gain experience and positive feedback. Remember, consistency is key in the freelance writing world. The more you write, the better you'll get and the more money you'll make. Next up, we're diving into the world of passive income with print on demand, or POD for short. Imagine this. You create a cool design once, upload it to a platform, and then people all over the world can buy it on t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, you name it. Every time someone makes a purchase, the product gets printed and shipped directly to them, and you collect a profit. It's like having your own online merch store without any of the hassle of inventory, shipping, or customer service. One of the best things about print on demand is that there are absolutely no upfront costs. You only pay when a product sells, making it a super low-risk way to start a side hustle. Plus, the income potential is virtually unlimited. A single design can generate passive income for years to come, especially if it resonates with a large audience. And with platforms like Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble, you can easily tap into a global market and sell your designs to customers worldwide. So how do you get started with print on demand? First things first, you'll need to create some designs. Don't worry, you don't need to be a graphic design whiz. Tools like Canva and Photoshop offer tons of templates and resources to help you create eye-catching designs, even if you're a complete beginner. Once you've got some designs ready, sign up for a print-on-demand platform, upload your designs, set your prices, and start promoting. Speaking of promotion, social media is your best friend when it comes to print on demand. Share your designs, run targeted ads, and engage with potential customers in relevant Facebook groups or online communities. Chapter 3. Online tutoring, share your knowledge, earn big bucks. All right, are you someone who aced every test in school? Do your friends come to you for help with their homework? If so, online tutoring could be your perfect side hustle. There's a massive demand for knowledgeable and patient tutors in subjects like math, science, English, test prep, you name it. And with the rise of online learning, you can literally teach from anywhere in the world, as long as you have a stable internet connection. One of the biggest perks of online tutoring is the earning potential. Depending on your experience, the subject you teach, and the platform you use, You can easily make anywhere from $25 to $50 per hour or even more. That's some serious side hustle money. And the best part? You don't necessarily need a teaching degree to get started. While having some teaching experience is definitely a plus, many platforms are open to tutors from all backgrounds as long as they have a solid grasp of the subject matter. So how do you break into the world of online tutoring? First, choose a subject that you're passionate about and that you excel in. Math, English, and coding are always in high demand, but don't be afraid to explore more niche subjects if you have expertise in a particular area. Next, sign up on a reputable online tutoring platform like Wizant, TutorMe, or Cambly. These platforms connect you with students worldwide who are looking for help in your chosen subject. When you're creating your tutor profile, be sure to highlight your experience, qualifications, and teaching style. Start with competitive rates to attract students and build your reputation. Chapter 4. Flipping items for profit, turn trash into treasure. Now this next side hustle is for all you bargain hunters and treasure seekers out there. Have you ever heard the saying, one man's trash is another man's treasure? Well, it's true. Flipping items for profit is all about finding undervalued items, whether it's at garage sales, thrift stores, online marketplaces, or even just lying around your house and then reselling them for a higher price. It's a fantastic way to make quick cash, declutter your life, and maybe even find some hidden gems along the way. One of the best things about flipping is that you can start with very little investment. You can literally start with just a few dollars and gradually scale up as you learn the ropes and start making profits. Plus, the profit potential is huge. Some items can be flipped for double, triple, or even 10 times their original price, depending on their rarity, condition, and demand. So how do you get started with flipping? First, you need to find your inventory. Garage sales, thrift stores, and online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist are gold mines for finding undervalued items. Once you've found something that catches your eye, do your research. Check eBay, Mercari, and other online marketplaces to see what similar items are selling for. This will give you an idea of the item's potential resale value and help you determine if it's a worthwhile flip. When you're ready to list your items, take high-quality photos, write clear and detailed descriptions, and set competitive prices. Be honest about the item's condition and be prepared to negotiate with potential buyers. Chapter 5. Social Media Management. Become a digital marketing guru. Last but not least, let's talk about social media management. In today's digital age, every business, big or small, needs a strong online presence. But let's face it, not everyone has the time, energy, or know-how to manage their social media effectively. That's where you come in. As a social media manager, you're the mastermind behind the scenes, crafting engaging content, scheduling posts, running ads, and building a loyal following for your clients. The demand for skilled social media managers is absolutely exploding right now. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar to have someone who can manage their online presence effectively and help them reach their target audience. Depending on your experience, the number of clients you manage, and the services you offer, you can easily charge anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per client per month. And the best part? You don't need a fancy marketing degree to get started. While having some marketing knowledge is definitely a plus, most of the skills you need can be learned online through free resources and tutorials. So, how do you break into the world of social media management? First, educate yourself. YouTube is a gold mine for free social media marketing tutorials. Learn the ins and outs of different platforms, understand how to create engaging content, and familiarize yourself with social media analytics. Once you feel confident in your abilities, start offering your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even Facebook groups dedicated to entrepreneurs and small businesses. When you're first starting out, don't be afraid to take on smaller clients or offer discounted rates to build your portfolio and gain experience. There you have it, 5 incredible side hustles that can easily add an extra $500 or more to your monthly income. Whether you're a wordsmith, a design enthusiast, a natural teacher, a bargain hunter, or a social media guru, there's a side hustle out there that aligns with your skills and interests. The possibilities are truly endless. But here's the key takeaway. Taking action is crucial. Don't just watch this video and think, oh, that sounds nice. Choose one of these side hustles that resonates with you and commit to taking action. You might be surprised at how quickly your side hustle income can grow. So what are you waiting for? Your financial future starts now. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more money-making tips, and let me know in the comments which side hustle you're most excited to try.